This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include power adjustable driver pedals, alloy wheels, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.